Greetings and salutations, guys! Happy, what day is it today? Wednesday. I just got my Nespresso order. Hold on, you guys are crooked. I just got my Nespresso order and wanted to open it up. And so I got the, what is it called? Now you guys are like, I got the new pumpkin spice coffee. I think is it pumpkin spice? Oh, there's a bug. Pumpkin spice coffee. And I think this came out last year. Wait, no, have we had this before? Pumpkin spice cake. I don't remember if this is the same one from last time, like the same flavor, but I just got a bunch of coffee in. I got a bunch of this pumpkin one because those tend to sell out pretty quickly. And roasted hazelnut. This is one of my other favorite ones, is the Vivita. It has like vitamin B12 in it or something. Vitamin B12, yeah. Rich in vitamin B12 to help support the immune system. So that's nice. And then usually I just get like colors that kind of go with the season. And because I just like the pretty colors inside the canister. Also got some chocolates. These are so good, by the way. I got these last time. Like, these are free if you order like a certain amount. And I've gotten these before and they're so good. Eliza and I were obsessed with them. And so is Cade. So I got all of that. And I'm going to make a pumpkin coffee because I still haven't had one. I just had it was the apple cold brew or whatever. I forgot what the actual name is, but it's the cold brew apple drink flavored coffee from Starbucks. I had that yesterday. It was so good. I would definitely get that again. And yeah, but let's do one of these. I can't remember, like I remember one year I didn't get these because they sold out, and I didn't order them in time. I can't remember if it was last year. My brain isn't working anymore. But let's make one of these. This is tragic. We're like gonna be out of sugar, but it's okay. We still have enough for today. Okay, I got my coffee. I'm so excited. Let's look at the art. I just like to pretend that I did art on here, and then I just like, you know, like when you look at clouds and you try to figure out what it is, like what it looks like. That's what we're doing today. I feel like it looks kind of like a peacock feather or something. I don't know, but let's try this together. I'm super excited. I love my creamer, like super foamy. It's like my favorite part about the coffee. But you kind of gotta drink it fast, because if you don't drink it like quick enough, it starts to separate, and then it's not as like fluffy and delicious anymore. So you gotta give it like a good mix. Oh, that's delicious. Yum. Okay, so I need to put away the rest of the coffee. I'm gonna drink this first though, because it's so good, and I want to make sure I savor every drop, because if I leave and do something else, I'm gonna forget about this coffee. I'm not gonna drink it till later, and it's gonna be not as delicious. So you gotta drink it at like its optimum peak form, and gotta clean the kitchen, I have stuff to package. If I haven't told you guys yet, I have started relisting again on Poshmark and Mercari and Depop, and got a couple sales on, oh no, I don't have a Depop thing to ship out today. But I have, I think 1 or 2 on Posh and then something on Mercari. So I gotta ship that out today. And then an item from a regular live sale as well. So I'm still doing the live sale, so don't forget about those. And I think we're also gonna I really wanna go to Home Goods today. I think we're gonna go to Home Goods. I might go to Veterans Thrift. And then that's kind of what we have scheduled for today. Today is also Wednesday. So today's the day that I bring Elizo to gymnastics, which is always super fun. But that means I have to be ready to bring him. We usually leave around like 3:30, between 3:30 and 3:45. So gotta make sure to be back home in time for that. And then that's like forever. Like Eliza's gymnastics is like 3 hours long. Yeah, but I'm gonna have my coffee. And then we'll clean the kitchen a little bit. Ooh, and then we're gonna figure out something to eat. Yeah, okay. I'm replying to emails, and I always try to do that in the morning. I've been replying to emails since I woke up. Also, if I don't reply to your email or message like right away, please just email me back. Sometimes I literally get so much junk mail. I don't know. It's crazy. I probably sign up for too many coupon email things, and stuff just gets lost sometimes. So please email me again if I didn't reply to you or something. Also, I find email is probably the best way to reach me. Instagram and stuff is okay too, but it's email I think is the best way, because it's the easiest place also for me to search things as well. Alright guys, we've just got inside the car. We're gonna go to UPS first, and then UPS is inside Albertsons, so we're gonna go there first. I need to pick up some spinach because my mom is going to make sinigang. This thing literally always falls off right in that like same exact spot. My mom is making sinigang for dinner tonight, and she put spinach in it, and it's so delicious. It's Filipino soup. It's kind of like a tamarind-based soup, and it's so delicious. So I'm very, very excited for it because the kids and I love it. It is one of our favorite things, and I am very excited about it. So yes, can't wait for that. And so gotta get some spinach for dinner, and then I have to head over to USPS, to the post office, and drop off a package there. And then if time permits, I think we'll be okay. It's only 150, so I think we can head over to Veterans Thrift still as well. So I don't know, we'll see if we have, I think we'll have enough time, because like it's all going in that same direction anyway. So hopefully I'll have enough time to just pop over to Veterans really quick before I have to bring Elizo to gymnastics. But this morning I finished up cleaning the house. I didn't notice that my camera died, and so I don't know how much footage of that I have, but I vacuumed and I mopped. That mop vacuum thing is a godsend. It's one of the best things we've ever purchased for the house. It is my favorite. I use it every single day, multiple times a day. And look, like all of our house, it's like hard floors. So downstairs, it looks like wood, but it's like this like petrified wood tile looking, I don't know, something. So that, like, if I have to vacuum something on the floor, I'll just always use that, because like, why not? It'll vacuum and mop at the same time. So I think that's fantastic. Oh, I think that's our mail person right there. Nah, I think I just saw them drive by. So it's literally the best thing ever, and I am obsessed with it. Like, it is my favorite thing. I love it. It's so good. I don't mop the whole house every day. I always mop downstairs though. Like, I pretty much mop the entire downstairs pretty much every single day. Sometimes twice a day. I'll do it in the morning, and then at night when I close down the house. Do you guys do that? Like, you close down the house, like you make sure everything's clean so that when you wake up in the morning everything's beautiful. But that doesn't really happen for me, because usually the kids will run through the house in the morning before they go to school, and then it's just like a hot mess again. But I don't know, it's like part of my thing that I do every day. So I wake up, clean the house, I go to sleep, like clean the house and go to sleep. That's like my thing, my what's that called? Routine. But I love that mop thing. It is amazing. I do still have the narwhal, which is that like robotic cleaning thing, which, you know what, I actually need to start using that again. I feel like if I implement that into my routine as well, like I literally don't have to do anything with them other than just clean out the narwhal, you know, empty out the water, change out the water, empty out the bin thing. So I'm gonna start using that as well, because then like it'll be super clean downstairs, which is fantastic. But today I used the vacuum mop I cleaned the stairs, and then I did the whole upstairs, the laundry room, I did my parents' room, their bathroom, everything. And it's just like so nice. I just like when you know, like the floors are clean, it is super duper satisfying, and it just makes you feel happy inside. Am I just weird? I don't know, but yeah, I don't know. I just like to try to keep up with cleaning, because then it makes it less intense, like for like later on, you know what I mean? Like, it doesn't just keep piling up. And believe me, it piles up really quickly when you have so many people living inside the house, especially when you have 3 boys that are, you know, but they're not bad though. They actually are pretty tidy, so that's good. But yeah, just like lots of people, and especially the sink, dishwashing and all that can get a little intense sometimes too, but it's okay. We just got 2 Albertsons, so I wonder if they have orange soda. Last week they had buy 2 get 2 free for like the orange sodas. They were all sold out. I couldn't buy it because I didn't have any. But I doubt that they'll have that sale again still, because usually it's like every few weeks they'll do that sale. So I don't know, we'll see. We shall see. But let me park. I'm gonna go drop off. Alright, just got to the post office. Okay, we just got here to Veterans Thrift. We got pretty decent parking, so that's exciting. I'm gonna give myself like 30 minutes, famous last words. Then we're gonna have to head home. Peppa Pig. Okay, we are in the handbags first. Coach bag, 40 bucks. Ooh, clean. This is actually super cute. Oh, it's like brand new. Ralph Lauren. Oh, this looks like almost like a Fendi. I know it's not. Kate Spade, 70. Little penguin. No, I thought this was like a Patricia Nash, but it's not. They have these Alexander McQueen shoes. They're 175. They have these Miu Miu ballet flats still. But those are like 275. These Gucci's for 400. Is that Dolce and Gabbana? $5.99 dust bag. Dolce and Gabbana. I'm looking for handbag straps, but haven't seen any that are very exciting. Is that Benjamin Franklin? I feel like that is. Interesting. $19.99. Trying to look for some ancient dolls. Oh, little Michelin thing. Vintage dolls, vintage dolls. That was just Benjamin Franklin. Feels like the most vintage looking one. Okay, there was a bunch of people over here earlier in this side of the handbags. It's a Bradley bag. Oh, the sequins are so fun. How much is it though? It's only 15 bucks. I should get this, right? Like, that's cool. I think I might get that. Okay. I thought I was almost gonna leave without finding anything, but I think I might get this. Beauty. Ooh. Let's see. Oh, this was here last time. This is a Rebecca Minkoff belt bag. That's cute, but expensive. It's like 60 bucks. Leather. This is like a Dooney. But a fake Dooney. We're gonna say no to the Dooney. That was here yesterday. Our Riveter. $100. Home? JW Home Co? Interesting. What does it say on the inside? JW Home. Made in USA. Huh, that's kind of cute. I'll look that up. Okay, I just got outside the car. We gotta go ready to bring Eliza to gymnastics, but I want to show you guys what I got. I just got two things. I got this Coach little satchel right here. It's super cute, right? 75 bucks, but it was 25% off. Has a hang tag. I think I have a crossbody strap. I hope it matches, but we'll see. It's like it's black silver hardware, so I'm sure we can find something that matches, or if anyone buys it, I'm sure they'll have a crossbody strap that can match it, but yeah. Then I got this beautiful Radley. This one was $15. I love the sequin work on here. Look at that, it's so pretty. I love it. There's the back, it has a pocket, and then it just zips across the top. You can use it as a clutch or a crossbody bag as well. Compartments on the inside, so I'm pretty happy. And that's what I got. So now, gotta head home and take Eliza to gymnastics.